Let us take a moment to look around. The world is changing right before our eyes. China technological breakthroughs are happening at a pace that is hard to keep up with. I am constantly amazed by the sheer scale of these developments. Think about a factory that runs itself without human hands. Imagine a computer so powerful it could design new medicines in days. Picture a data center sitting quietly on the ocean floor. These are not distant dreams. They are real projects that are active today. If you want to stay ahead of these incredible changes, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell. This way, you will never miss an update on the latest tech marvels shaping our tomorrow. China is not just building factories anymore. It is building brainy ones. The country is pushing forward with a massive plan to modernize its entire industrial base. This plan revolves around creating highly advanced smart factories. These are not your typical assembly lines. They use artificial intelligence to monitor every single part of the production process. The government has even created a ranking system. It goes from basic all the way to pioneering status. This helps evaluate how mature and connected each facility is. It is like a report card for factories. Already, tens of thousands of these facilities exist across the nation. A select few have even reached the top tier. They are now leading the charge in key areas, like aerospace and new energy vehicles. This is all part of a grand strategy. There is big news coming from Chengdu. China has just started mass production on its first next-generation flexible display line. This is a huge deal for anyone who loves gadgets. The plant represents an investment of over $9 billion. It is the largest single industrial project in the country's display history. Its goal is to pump out 32,000 glass substrates every month. This massive scale will lead to thinner and significantly cheaper screens for our laptops and tablets. But the benefits do not stop at the price tag. These new displays are also much more energy efficient. They consume up to 30% less power. Plus, they last 3 to 4 times longer than older models. This manufacturing leap is a game changer for the industry. It moves China from a follower to a global trendsetter. They are not just catching up anymore. They are redefining what high-end displays can be. China's space program just achieved another remarkable milestone. The Long March 12BY-1 carrier rocket successfully completed its very first flight. This maiden voyage represents a significant achievement in space exploration and aerospace innovation. The rocket blasted off from the Dongfeng Commercial Space Innovation Pilot Zone. This site is located in northwest China. It is a dedicated area for testing new commercial space technologies. The mission was a complete success. Its primary objective was to deliver a group of networking satellites into their designated orbits. These satellites are part of the Qianfan constellation project. This constellation aims to provide global internet coverage from space. It is China's answer to the growing need for worldwide connectivity. This launch is a big deal for the legendary Long March rocket family. It marks the 647th mission for this storied series. Each successful launch adds to China's growing presence in the global space industry. The event draws clear comparisons to other heavyweights in the commercial space sector. Experts are already comparing it to rockets like the Falcon 9. The success shows off the nation's technical prowess and strategic commitment. They are expanding their orbital capabilities at a rapid pace. This is not just about national pride. It is about building infrastructure for the future. Reliable and affordable launch services are key to this plan. The rocket's performance met all expectations. This paves the way for more frequent and complex missions. It is a huge step forward for their space infrastructure. This will help with future satellite communication and global connectivity projects. The aerospace sector is clearly advancing with purpose and determination. This launch signals that China is ready to compete at the highest level. They are building a robust ecosystem for space-based services that will benefit people everywhere. China's commercial space sector is changing fast. it is moving from slow, custom builds to fast, efficient batch production. This shift has supercharged its remote sensing abilities. The nation now operates the world's largest sub-meter level satellite constellation. That means their satellites can see things on the ground with incredible detail. These new orbital assets are high-tech. They use advanced synthetic aperture radar. This allows for precise, all-weather, 3D observation of Earth. It is perfect for rapid, large-scale mapping. But there is more to the story. They are also using hyperspectral imaging. This technology lets them see beyond what the human eye can see. It can clearly tell the difference between a forest and a rice crop, for example. This systematic upgrade in optics and radar is redefining their footprint in the commercial space industry. It is all about innovation and increased production capacity. The goal is to stay ahead in the new space race. This progress in satellite technology is opening up new possibilities. The global demand for artificial intelligence is causing a massive ripple effect. One place feeling this impact is Suzhou City in East China. The need for ultra-fast internet is skyrocketing. This is pushing the optical communications sector into overdrive. Major semiconductor firms are working non-stop. They are trying to keep up with the demand for vital optical chips. This intense pressure has forced them to scale up production quickly. They are also bolstering their research teams and upgrading equipment. This creates an upstream boom for the companies that make the specialized machinery. It is a powerful chain reaction. The whole tech hub in the region is buzzing with activity. They are positioning themselves right at the heart of the digital revolution. The outlook is highly optimistic. Manufacturing capacity for these chips is expected to grow enormously. They aim to capture a significant share of the global market. The region is clearly accelerating its industrial influence. This is a prime example of digital infrastructure development. A groundbreaking moment has arrived for quantum computing. The world's first commercial dual-core quantum computer has been ordered. Its name is Huashan 2. It was developed by a Chinese startup called CAS Cold Atom Technology. This is a huge leap forward. The machine uses a unique neutral atom system. It pairs two independent qubit arrays using rubidium isotopes. Think of it like a classic dual-core CPU. The cores can operate in parallel or coordinate together. One core can even act as the main processor while the other reduces errors. This architecture provides unprecedented stability. It paves the way for solving incredibly complex problems. We're talking about things like targeted cancer therapies and rare disease drug development. This is a giant step from theory to practical use. Delivery is set for the coming months. The company already has a 1,000-qubit successor in the works. This marks the start of a thrilling new era. It is moving quantum machines from the lab into the real world. Far beneath the waves, off the coast of Shanghai, sits a marvel of engineering. It is the world's first wind-powered underwater data center. This massive facility weighs 2,000 tons. It is a futuristic leap in sustainable technology. It harnesses the power of offshore wind to process data, and it does so with incredible efficiency. The deep sea provides the perfect cooling system. The cool, stable temperatures act as a natural heat sink. This means no more massive energy and water waste from traditional air conditioning. Land-based data centers use a huge amount of resources. This project slashes both power consumption and land usage. It is also a robust hub for AI developers and telecom companies. The success of this first phase is paving the way for more. There are plans to build a new generation of eco-friendly, submerged digital infrastructure. This is a powerful example of green technology. It will stretch along China's vast coastline. Space is getting crowded. There are nearly 14,000 spacecraft up there now. To manage this, Chinese scientists have created something brilliant. It is the Huashan aerospace large language model. Think of it as a space-intelligent driving brain for satellites. This system allows satellites to run their own orbital calculations. They can self-diagnose mechanical problems. They can even auto-generate their own control commands. The technology uses a very lightweight hardware prototype. It uses only 30 watts of power. It packs a specialized space camera and advanced chips into a small package. This creates a miniature space neural network. Next year, this technology will be tested in orbit. If successful, it will drastically reduce our reliance on ground stations. In the heart of Tianjin, something special is happening. A revolutionary innovation hub is turning lab ideas into real-world solutions. This place is a vibrant ecosystem for startups. It helps them speed up research, testing, and selling their products. One of its marvels is a robotic snake. This machine has many joints and can move easily through complex pipes. It is built to inspect power grids and industrial pipelines. Right nearby, scientists are working on a non-invasive brain-computer interface. It blends neural decoding with electrical stimulation. The goal is to restore movement for stroke patients who are paralyzed. This technology could change millions of lives. Today, this dynamic park houses over 5,100 pioneering enterprises. It is successfully bridging the gap between the laboratory and the real world. They are building a true innovation ecosystem. Their work is forging ahead to create impactful industrial solutions.